Hello everybody, my name's Steven and I'm with Cannin.com. This week we are taking a look at some stock we haven't looked at for over a year now, but there's been a lot of chatter on our social media, especially Twitter, about this one lately and whether or not it's getting ready to pop. So let's look over to the pricing chart now. You'll see we're looking at Claritas Pharmaceuticals. Now this used to be Kalytera Therapeutics. They changed their name in about April, May 2021 this year. And you can see they were right around when they changed their name, up above $1, 121. Since then, the trend has definitely been down. They've given most of that back, just over 30 cents now. Since this drop began, you can see that we had a cross here in our triple moving average. The short term one is our yellow, medium term is green, long term is red. And you can see right around here the red line since early May has been above the other lines. Short terms are below the longer terms, a sign of weakness here. Definitely what we would expect given this pricing chart. Pay attention to the volume here too. Kind of the highest they're ever getting is about 50,000 here. We had super high volatility in July, but look at what we were trading: 2,000, 4,000, 1,000, 2,000 units. So really low volume on this stock. The Awesome Oscillator is kind of telling the same story. You can see it's lagging a little bit, but we are into positive territory on the 16th of April. During that day, we were actually coming back down from this little pop, so that you can see how it's not used to predict those pops, but used whether to stay in trades or not. Since then, below zero, everything below zero for a long time, so definitely a sign of weakness. Currently at minus 0.06. So we're going to watch the red here kind of turn green and come back to zero and then eventually cross. That's going to be a sign of strength. We would expect the pricing chart to go above that a little bit faster than the Awesome Oscillator is going to tell us. So we would actually watch for the moving averages to cross here. See if we can set up for a nice cross. The CCI is telling us kind of the same thing. Let's zoom in a little bit. Spent a lot of time below minus 100. Currently minus 90, so really weak there. Again, we would watch for this to bounce up, cross zero. That would be a sign of strength. Then watch the Awesome Oscillator cross zero, and that would kind of be all signs in for any buy trades here. Now sell trades are definitely the opposite, right? Everything looks kind of lined up for that weak. So Claritas Pharmaceutical. The pricing chart is showing a little bit of short-term weakness. What's going to happen long-term, though? Maybe the chatter is right. There's a lot of people watching this one, although the volume wouldn't tell you that, right? 4,000 units sold on August 20th. So keep your eyes on it. If you're a buy and hold trader, definitely something to watch, but something to stay away from right now. Happy trading, everybody.